Greetings to you. I welcome you to this training course of Cheetah Academy. In this course, you will learn how to create a responsive HTML website based on a Figma design. In order to do this, we'll use HTML5, CSS3, SCSS, Bootstrap 5, and JavaScript. In this chapter, I'm going to introduce programming languages and libraries I have used to you, such as HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, etc. And also the tools we are going to use will be introduced. For example, Google Chrome browser and the text editor of Visual Studio Code. Furthermore, you're going to learn about Live Server and VS Code and how to customize VS Code so that it would have a better look and increase your coding speed. Moreover, there is a plugin called the Emmet plugin. It is a very powerful plugin which helps improve and increase your coding speed. In addition, you will learn how to work with Figma and what shortcuts to use to work with Figma. Similarly, I'm going to teach you how to use a number of useful shortcuts you can employ to use in VS Code and Google Chrome browser. There are also a series of techniques and useful tips about CSS. For example, how to create a triangle using CSS, or say how to center align an element with an absolute position both vertically and horizontally. Stay with me and see for yourself what elements we are talking about. One by one, watch these videos and practice them. Do what is taught in the videos so that you can reach the level that is intended for you. I hope you will enjoy this course.